How do I create a budget that works for me? It's pretty simple. The first thing I did was I looked and saw, well, what were we spending money on and how were we spending the money? And then made adjustments there because we were spending money on stupid stuff we didn't need to be spending money on. The next thing was to create a budget that worked for us. Some budgets could be like 50% towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards savings. However, we lean more towards savings and reduce our wants because we want to retire earlier. So I guess that is a want, but it would fall in the savings category. Then it's a matter of making the money that we're saving work for us. If we just put the money into a bank account, it's going to earn barely any interest at all, which is ridiculous. If we put the money into a credit union account, it's going to earn a little bit more interest. If we put the money into a high yield savings account, it's going to earn still more, about 4%. But if we invest the money into mutual funds, into the stock market, then we could earn anywhere between 10 to 15%. The stock market on average has a 10% return. But the important thing to remember with the stock market is it is a long game, not a short one. People tend to get rattled and they sell things. Don't do that. Don't be that person. The stock market is a marathon. You are in it for the long term. So when you invest your money with someplace like Fidelity or Schwab or Vanguard, do not watch your money every day. Just check in like once a month because you will get rattled if you check your money every day. One day you might be up, the next day you might be down, but you're not in it for the day to day. You are in it for the long run. And long run, I mean like 20, 30 years, long run. Because compound interest is your bestie. Compound interest rules. You can make money off of the money that you have making money for you. So the money that you have can make money for you that makes more money for you. And that's why it's important that you take care of yourself as a creative. Take care of your savings, make sure you have your savings, make sure you have your emergency fund, make sure you have your sinking funds, and by all means, make sure that you're saving for your retirement because no one else is saving for your retirement.